question number 3. What is given in fourth part? A3 is equal to 15. What is given? A3 is equal to 15. It means here third term of NAP is given and S10 is equal to 125 means sum of 10 terms is given. This S10 is equal to 125. Now what we have to find? To find D and A10. But we have to find D and A10. D and A10. This we have to find. Now dear students, can you observe one thing in this? Sn is given and up to these three parts, in these three parts we have find Sn. Yes dear students, अभी तक हमने क्या किया है? Sn फाइंड आउट किया है, बट यहाँ पे हमें Sn गिवन है. Sum of 10 terms is given and what we can see that from here n is equal to 10. n हमें क्या गिवन है? 10 गिवन है. अब हमें यहाँ फर्स्ट टर्म भी गिवन नहीं है. We have to find D common difference find out करना है and A10 10th term of the AP we have to find. अभी तक हम क्या करते थे? पहले इस फॉर्मूले का यूज करते थे, उससे हमने A फाइंड आउट किया या फिर N की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट किया, D की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट की, उस वैल्यूज को फाइंड आउट करके हम Sn के किसी फॉर्मूले में पुट करके सम फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे. यस, नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, दिस वी विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला फर्स्ट. यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू फाइंड मिसिंग वैल्यू. हम इन दोनों में से कोई भी फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं और उस फॉर्मूले की हेल्प से फिर हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, जो भी मिसिंग टर्म्स हमें फाइंड आउट करने वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Then after this we will use this formula, first formula. Let's see solution. Yes, start from here. What is given? A3 is equal to 15 and what is A3? A3 is A plus 2D and A plus 2D is equal to 15. Let this is equation number 1. Here we will form equations. Okay, now come here. S10. What is given? S10 and this S10 is equal to 125. अब ना तो हमें यहाँ D पता ना ही A10 पता, बट हम यहाँ से क्या ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं? Here one equation is in the form of A and D. हमें फर्स्ट इक्वेशन किस फॉर्म में मिली है? A और D की फॉर्म में मिली है, तो हम Sn का वही फॉर्मूला चूज करेंगे जहाँ पे हमें A और D मिल सकता है. देखिए क्या आपको यहाँ पर A मिल रहा है? मिल रहा है. क्या आपको यहाँ से D मिला? नहीं मिल रहा. लेकिन हम जब इस फॉर्मूले की बात करते हैं यहाँ पे A भी है और D भी है, सो वी विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला इन दिस क्वेश्चन. मींस S10 will equal to 10 by 2. I am putting values of n here into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. And this S10 is equal to 125. Now on solving these, what we will get? 2 5s are 5 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into 9D and it is equal to 125. Now this 2A plus 9D is equal to 125. This 5 is in multiplication and here it will come in division. 5 2s are 5 5s are. So from here 2A plus 9D is equal to 25 and this is equation number 2. Up to here I am repeating this question. Yes dear students, what is given? A3 is given and we know that A3 is equal to A plus 2D and this A plus 2D is equal to 15. Let this is equation number 1. हमने क्या किया, जो given part है, given information है, उसी का हम यूज करते हुए अपनी इक्वेशन की फॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं. A3 is equal to 15 and we know that this A3 is equal to A plus 2D and it is equal to 15. Let this is equation number 1. Now what is given? S10 is given and S10 is equal to 125, but here is confusion that there are two formulas for Sn. We will choose which formula we will choose. हम यहाँ कौन सा फॉर्मूला चूज करेंगे? Come to this first equation. A और D हमें मिल रहा है. A और D किस फॉर्मूले में? दोनों चीजें किस फॉर्मूले में है, तो हम ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. एंड वी नो दैट व्हेन वी पुट दिस n is equal to 10, what we will get? 10 by 2 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D means 5 into 2a plus 9d is equal to 125. When we solve this, we will get 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. This is our equation number second. Now from here we get two equations. हमें यहाँ क्या मिलती है? दो equation मिलती है. Now we will use, come to third chapter, substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. We can choose any method for solving these equations. Now what we will do? From equation first and second, what we will get? A plus 2d is equal to 15, 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. But here variables are not same, constant a and d, but variable means coefficient of a and coefficient of d are not same. So first of all we will make them same. हम क्या करेंगे? We will multiply this equation by 2. हम इसको 2 से multiply करेंगे. Now what will we get? 2a plus 2 2s are 4d is equal to 15 2s are 30, and second equation is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Now coefficients are same. Now we will do subtraction. Means on subtracting, minus minus minus, 2a minus 2a cancel out, 4d minus 9d means minus 5d, and it is equal to 30 minus 25 means we will get 5. So d is equal to 5 divided by minus 5. 5 cancel out, d is equal to minus 1. So this is the first answer of this question, means d is equal to minus 1. Now using this, what we have to find? We have to find a10. So for finding a10 we require a. So first of all we will find the value of a. हमें ये पता है an किसके इक्वल होता है? a plus n minus 1 into d. n is 10, a we don't know, and we have d is equal to minus 1. So first of all we will find the value of a. How we will find? We can put this value of d in any of these two equations so that we can find the value of a. Now I am putting the value of d, putting the value of d in equation. Suppose I am putting in equation number 1. What we will get? A plus 2d is equal to 15. A plus 2 into d is equal to minus 1, and it is equal to 15. Now a plus minus minus, 2 ones are 2, and it is equal to 15. A is equal to 15. Minus 2 will become plus 2. A is equal to 17. Now we get the value of a. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of a10. This a10 is equal to, will equal to a plus 90. Now put these values. A is 17 plus 9 into d is minus 1. What we will get? 17 plus minus minus, 9 into 1 9, and a10 is equal to 17 minus 9 8. So this is our second answer of this part. So dear students, what we have done in these questions? In this question a3 we form two equations. हमने यहाँ क्या किया? दो इक्वेशन की फॉर्मेशन की. a plus 2d is equal to 15 and 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. From where these equations comes? These equations from our given part. What is given? a3 is equal to 15 is given. Then a3 is equal to a plus 2d, and it is equal to 15. And s10, 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d, it is equal to 125. So from here we get second equation, and second equation is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. On solving these two equations, we get the value of d and a. हमें यहाँ से d और a की वैल्यू मिली. What is the value of d? -1. And what is the value of a? 17. why we find this value of A? Because we have to find the value of A10, and for A10 we require value of A also. So for A10 we know by using this formula A10 is equal to A plus 9D. 17 plus 9 into minus 1. So 17 minus 9, A10 is equal to 8. Now fifth part of question number 3. What is given? D is equal to 5. First of all we will write given. What is given? D is equal to 5. D means common difference. S9 is equal to 75 means sum of 9 terms, and it is equal to 75. From here we get the value of n. N is equal to 9. Now come to what we have to find. We have to find the value of A, and to find A and A9. Dear students, this question is same as it is previous question, but one difference is there. In this third term was given and we have to find common difference, and here common difference is given and we have to find A and A9. So let's see what we will do. Come to solution part. So first of all write those things which are given. D is equal to 5 is given. Can we derive or can we use any formula with D only? No. क्या हम D की हेल्प से ही कोई इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं? No. Now come to next point. What is next point? S9 is equal to 75. Use A and D. अब देखो हमें A भी नहीं पता, A N भी नहीं पता, so we can't use this formula. हम इस फॉर्मूले को यूज नहीं कर सकते. Now come to second formula of Sn. N पता है, A नहीं पता, N पता है, D पता है. Means यहाँ से easily हम A की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. So S9 is equal to 75. Using this formula, what we will get? 9 by 2. Simply I am putting the value of N. Firstly, I am putting the value of N only. N by 2 means 9 by 2. 2A. A we have to find. Plus N means 9 minus 1. Now D. What is the value of D? 5. Simply I am putting the values in this formula. Now what we will get? 2A plus 9 minus 1. 8 into 5. It is equal to 75. Now this term is left. अब ये 9 by 2 है मल्टीप्लीकेशन में, यहाँ लेके आएंगे, its reciprocal will come 2 by 9. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 25s are 2A plus 8 5s are 40 is equal to 20 into 2, 25 into 2, 50 divided by 3. Now 2A is equal to 50 by 3 minus 40 by 1. So from here we can find the value of A easily. A is equal to LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 multiplied by 50, 50 minus 3 divided by 1, 3. 3 multiplied by 40, 120, and it is 2A, dear students. Now 2A will equal to plus 50 minus 120 minus 70 divided by 3. This A will equal to minus 70 divided by 3. This 2 is in multiplication. When we bring it here, it will become 1 by 2. So from here 235s are. A is equal to minus 35 by 3. This is our first answer. What we have find? What we get? A is equal to minus 35 by 3. We get the value of A. Now what we have to find? We have to find this A9. So in this we will use this first formula. A9 will equal to A plus 8D. Now we have the value of A and we have the value of D. Simply we can find value of A, and what is the value of A? This A9 will equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into D. What is the value of D? 5. Minus 35 by 3. 8 5s are 40 by 1. So from here, what will be the LCM? 3. Minus 35 plus 3 4s are 12. 120 we will get, and A9 will equal to, when we solve this, 10 minus 5, 5. 11 minus 3, 8. A9 is 85 by 3. So what we have find, A is equal to minus 35 by 3 and A9 is equal to 85 by 3. We got these two values from this part. Very easy question, dear students. It is. What we have done, we have find only the value of A and A9. आपको मैंने क्या बताया है, क्या सिखाया है, जो गिवन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग चलिए. क्या गिवन है? D गिवन है, S9 गिवन है. अब SN के फॉर्मूले पे आ जाओ, जहां पे D मिले आपको. D किस फॉर्मूले में मिल रहा है? यहाँ मिल रहा है. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, N is equal to 9. अब N भी पता है, D भी पता है. We have to find the value of A. Simply we can find the value. Don't be confused in formulas. These two formulas, which formula we have to use? Confuse नहीं होना है. आपने सिर्फ चेक करना है, जो वैल्यू गिवन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने फॉर्मूले को चूज करना है और अपना क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. दिस इज अवर 5th पार्ट, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ 6th पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज गिवन इन 6th पार्ट? What is given? Firstly we will write given part. What is given, dear students? A is equal to 2. A means first term is given and it is equal to 2. D is equal to 8. D means common difference and this D is equal to 8. Sn is equal to 90 and this Sn represents sum of n terms and it is equal to 90. Here value of n is not given. What we have to find now? To find. What we have to find? N and an. What we have to find? N and an. Yes? Yes, dear students. Now A and D are given. A और D given है, Sn given है. कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे? This one और this one. This one, ये वाला. A given है, D given है और and it is equal to Sn. ये Sn के इक्वल given है. It means हम यहाँ से n की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Yes or no? Okay. Now come to this formula. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This Sn is equal to 90 and it is equal to n. We don't know the value of n, so it will remain same. N by 2 into 2. What is the value of a? 2 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? 8. So from here 90 is equal to n by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 8 into n, 8n plus minus 8 into 1, 8. Now 90 is equal to n by 2 into 8n minus 4, because plus 4 minus 8, what will left? Minus 4. Now do multiplication. On multiplying, what we will get? 8 by 2 n square. N into n square. Now plus minus 4 into n, 4n divided by 2. Now 90 is equal to, when we divide 8 by 2, we will get 4 and n square is there, minus 2n. Now from here it will form an equation, quadratic equation. This plus 90 will become minus 90 is equal to 0. This type of equation we have studied in our chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Yes, dear students, what we are observing from here, we are using 3rd chapter, means pair of linear equation in 2 variable. That formulas or that methods we are using in this chapter. And here in this question, quadratic equation is given. Now we will do factors of this. We are using method of 4th chapter here. Now, as I have told you in factorization, here minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. अब मैंने कॉमन क्यों लिया है? कॉमन लेने से इक्वेशन और भी सिंपल हो जाती है. Now on multiplying what we will get? 2 into 45 minus 90 and on addition minus प्लस करने में क्या मिल रहा है? minus 1. Then factors will be minus 10 into 9. When we add these minus 10 plus 9, so we get the factors. Now this can be written as 2n square minus minus sign is there. Now minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 minus 45 and it is equal to 0. Now what is common in these two? 2n. It is common. Now what is left here? n minus 5 plus minus. We can take plus here. Now 9 and 45 both are divisible by 9. So 9 is common. Then what will left? 9 and minus 5 and it is equal to 0. Now n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 and it is equal to 0. From here we get two factors of this equation. Now one time n minus 5 is equal to 0, we will get n is equal to 5, and once 2n plus 9 is equal to 0 and this 2n is equal to minus 9 and n is equal to minus 9 by 2. This value is rejected because number of terms cannot be negative or in fraction. This value rejected. Number of terms n जो है ना तो नेगेटिव हो सकता ना ही फ्रैक्शन में हो सकता, so we will reject this value. So n is equal to 5. This is our first answer of this question. n की वैल्यू मिली. Now what we have to find? an. And what is the value of n? 5. And a5 will equal to a plus 4d. This a is equal to 2 plus 4 into d. What is the value of d? 8. From here a5 is equal to 2 plus 8 4s are 32 and it is equal to 34. This is our second answer of this question. So answers are n is equal to 5 and a5 is equal to 34. Yes dear students, what we are doing here, हम क्या करते हैं, जो हमें गिवन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग इन फॉर्मूलाज में वैल्यू पुट करते हैं और सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन? Sn गिवन है, a गिवन है, d गिवन है. a और d की वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग कौन सा फॉर्मूला बनता है? ये बनता है. इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने सॉल्व किया. n की फॉर्म में हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मिलती है. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के बाद हम क्या कर रहे हैं? n की टू वैल्यूज हमें मिल रही है. Because this equation is in quadratic form, then we will get two solution from here. अब जितनी number of degree होती है उतने ही तो solution होंगे. Here degree is 2, then number of solution will be 2. But one solution is a whole number and other is in negative form and in fraction. So we can reject this value because number of terms cannot be negative and in fraction. So from here what we get? We get n is equal to 5. Now we have to find the value of an. an की value find out करनी है. Then this an will equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We are using this formula. According to this, a5 will equal to a plus 4d. Now a is 2 and 4d is 8. These are given values. So from here a5 is equal to 2 plus 32 means 34. This is our sixth part.